Hello everyone, welcome again to another series of video from Electronics Eternity. This time around we'll be looking at how to use MOSFET. Okay, so for this tutorial I'm using VP300LS MOSFET, which is quite compatible to be used with Arduino. Its minimum gate threshold voltage is around -2 volts, and maximum is around -4.5 volts. So it's very much compatible to be used with Arduino or the usual power supply that we have. Now before I forget, VP300LS is a P-channel MOSFET, and therefore it's induced, or it goes into on state when the gate is negatively charged. Okay, so be sure there are so many P-channel MOSFET out there. So when you are using it, the only thing you need to be concerned about is the absolute maximum ratings of the voltage and also the pin configurations, right? So because you don't want to plug power supply into the wrong legs, right? So just be sure to check that. Usually the pin configuration differs from one MOSFET to the other, right? So you just need to look out for that and ensure that you have connected the right pin to the right cables or power supplies that you intend to. Okay, now what I have over here is I have my voltage regulator, which outputs 5 volt. This is it can produce, this battery supply can produce like 7 volts, right? So I have this voltage regulator which regulates the voltage and supplies the steady supply of 5 volt, right? And this is how the circuit is connected. For now, don't worry about how the circuit is connected, because I will be giving you the connection diagram, right? So this is how it's going to look. Okay, so now once you have set up your circuit like that, you can try experimenting how does your MOSFET behaves. Okay, now look at over here in the voltmeter, we have 4.4 volts. Okay, 4.4 volts is basically a positive voltage, right? It's far from zero, and therefore you can see that I have an LED over here, it's not lighting up. So if I change the potentiometer, this potentiometer basically controls how much voltage is being injected to my gate leg of my P-channel MOSFET. Okay, so I'm going to slowly decrease the voltage, and you will see that the LED slowly starts to light up. Okay, if you can see, my LED lights up, and the moment I increase it, the LED goes off, right? So lights off, lights off, right? Lights on, lights off. So the simple idea is, as when you're close to zero, which is you're close to the negative voltages, your LED lights up, right? Because your gate in the MOSFET needs to be negatively induced. But if you go further away from zero, and then it's not going to light up, right? So because it's positively induced. So this is how it works in a very simple way, and of course with this basic knowledge you can extrapolate this MOSFET usage into a further complex system or circuit, right? So just one point to remember, just remember that MOSFET is a voltage induced device, unlike transistor which relies on current. Okay, apart from that there is not much. This is a very basic video, so I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. Good luck trying. Bye bye.